Hi everybody, this is Melissa from the library, and I'm here I'm here again to show you a really fun craft that I thought would be really fun. Just because it's summer, and when I think of summer, I think of oceans and I think of water and all these really great things that come with summer. So for this craft, we're gonna make a cute little jellyfish out of a paper plate using streamers or whatever it is that you have at home. Essentially, what I did is I cut a paper plate together a paper plate together, not together, apart, and then I used some strings to use it. You can use anything you have at home for this craft for your streamers. You can use party streamers like I did, or you can use ribbon, or what's another good idea is, I thought was kind of cool, is that if you wanted to get more of that iridescent effect, you can use strips of a bread bag, and you can have like them more see-through kind of look, or you can even use a Ziploc bag and cut it into strips and make it more like a sort of an iridescent kind of thing. You can use that, but yeah, whatever you have at home to complete this craft will be great. So for this craft, you'll definitely need a paper plate. It doesn't matter what size you have, as long as it's a paper plate. It can be whatever type you have, any color you have, and then you'll definitely need that. You'll need some scissors, some tape or glue or anything to put your ribbon on. You'll also need some crayons or markers or gel pens or whatever you have at home to complete this. And then that's pretty much about it. You really don't need a lot for it. So what we're gonna do to get started is we're going to take our paper plate and we're gonna cut it in half. So it doesn't have to be perfect. So then we're going to take one of them and we're going to set one to the side, and then this first one, we're going to take it and then we're just going to cut. This is optional, but I think it adds to the effect, is that you're going to want to do a little bit of a wave cut towards it. So it doesn't have to be perfect, and you're going to want to cut it to side. So kind of like that, kind of like somebody took a bite out of it. And then that's it. And then next thing you're going to want to do, oh yeah, I forgot, is take a marker, a black one, and then you're going to want to draw on your eyes. I kind of like the big eyes. I think it's kind of funny. And then you're going to do that. So then you don't have to draw them on if you don't want to. You can use anything you have at home, buttons, or what are those things that move? Googly eyes for this too, but I'm gonna actually draw mine on because it'll just be a lot more fun. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do it this side up, and then you're just gonna draw your eyes. I'm gonna draw some really big ones, like I said. They don't have to be perfect, and you can use any marker you have at home, or a crayon, or a colored pencil, or whatever it is that you have at home for your eyes. As you can tell, my eyes are really crooked. I really don't care. So, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw in the pupil. So then you're just gonna color them in. And then your eyes don't have to be black, but they can be any color that you have at home. Just gonna color it in. So there's one eye. Color them in. My eyes look kind of weird, but you know what? It is okay. Alrighty, so then, oh, I forgot to mention that you're going to want to use the back of the plate and not the front of the plate. You're going to want to use the back of the plate. It'll be a lot easier to do. At least that's what I think. I need to sneeze. Okay, let's go totally okay. And then, I'm sorry about that. And then what you want to do is you're going to want to grab one of your markers to color in the background. So I'm going to see how this looks. I am curious. It doesn't. I really wanted it to be sparkly, but that's kind of weird. So let's see. Let me try this. Oh, it's kind of cool. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and color it in with this marker. I'm going to color it in my background. And it doesn't have to be perfect as long as it gets the job done. So then I'm just going to color it in. I might be running out of ink very soon. It doesn't have to be all one color. It can be 2 different colors. It can be multiple colors. I'm actually going to do my outside golden, and then I'm going to do the inside another color. So I think I'm running out of ink here. Then it doesn't have to be perfect. Whatever works for you, whatever looks good for you, it can happen. Oh, I wasn't pressing hard enough. I think that's why it wasn't working very well. So there's my golden rim. My golden rim of, I actually really like how this looks. Super cool. I'm gonna color it in. So there's that. Then I'm gonna take my another crayon or another marker, and then I'm gonna do in the rest. Apparently I have to this is not gonna work out. Oh my god. You busted. It's just gonna have a very funny looking spot on the corner, but that is okay. Oh my gosh, it's all over the place. This is so funny. It looks funny. I want to give her pressing too hard. I think I'm running out of ink. So I have another one. I think this is gonna work. So this is not looking that good. Actually, they're all running out of ink, but it's quite alright. Let's see if we have another one in here. It's so funny because that spot is the only part that's really colorful, is the one on his cheek. And this is still not yielding any results. I might have to, let's see, let's go back and see if none of these work. They're all dry. We're gonna continue on and let's see what we have. Oh, look at this. Let's see, maybe it'll just be different colors in different spots. I think it might be different colors in different spots, but that is kind of right. I really was going for that really cool effect, but I don't think it's gonna work out for us. So let's try a different marker. Even if it looks kind of bad, it's fine. So yeah, we're gonna use this one. So he's gonna have one glittery cheek. Whatever, I mean, it adds to the coolness, right? So then, yeah, we're basically just gonna color the rest of it. You're gonna be careful around the eyes to make sure that we don't color inside the pupil. We're just gonna keep coloring and coloring and coloring. So I'm gonna stop this video and then I will be back once I'm finished. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I just finished finishing coloring the rest. As you can tell, one cheek is colored more glitterful than the other cheek, which is fine. It looks kind of funny, but it's okay. I just also realized that I did the LA Lakers colors, but that's so fine. And this also, it'll complement the sibling, so that's totally cool. So then once you're done doing this, coloring it in and making it as beautiful as you want it, you can go ahead and grab your ribbon or your bread scrap, your bread bag scraps, your streamer, and then what you want to do is cut some so you can add it to the bottom. I'm not sure how long this is, but it's around a ruler length, so like 12 inches of streamer. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut around 4 or 5 of these that are around the same size or longer for the bottom. So then what you're going to do is cut them. As long as they're not super long, you should be fine. So I'm going to cut them as such, and then I'm going to cut, like I said, 4 or 5 of them in all. So I'm going to cut another one right here. So it's number 3. And then number 4. And then, let's see, and number 5. So once you have 5 or 4 of them, then you're ready to go to cut them or to put them on. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to grab your tape and then grab a couple of small pieces. I'm going to grab one small piece, and then you're going to grab one of your ribbons, one end of it, and then put it on the back right here of the plate that you colored on, and you're going to want to tape it on. So you don't want to tape the whole thing, but at least just a little bit on there. And then what you want to do is grab the rest of them and start spacing them out. You don't want to put them all together unless you want to do that. You can also do 2 different colors at the same time, whatever works out for you. And I'm going to keep, oh my god, I dropped the marker. I'm having a case of the Fridays. First the marker that exploded, and then, what is that? With flying things everywhere. And I'm super glitterful, so I'm having a case of the Fridays. So I'm about to put on tape on my last one. And then we're finished. Our jellyfish, our extra long jellyfish is ready to go to hang on wherever your heart desires. I think I just realized that this one is very long. So I'm just gonna trim that. And there you go. You have your own jellyfish to celebrate summer. And you can do your other half if you want, and you'll have multiple jellyfishes to hang on your wall or to hang on the fridge or whatever you want. And now they're 2 happy jellyfish just enjoying life. So I hope you like this craft, and I really hope that you make as many jellyfishes, as many colors as you have at home, and it'll be really fun for you to do that. And I also hope that you have a lovely holiday this weekend. I know it doesn't feel like it, but enjoy your time outside. It's going to be super nice outside, and you can hang out outside with your jellyfish and just enjoy the summer that it's going to come. And I hope that you really enjoyed my craft videos, and if you want to see more, let us know. We'd love to share them with you, these fun crafts with you. So have a nice weekend and enjoy jellyfish.